This is Sarah Junick with Drilling Contractor. I'm at the 2019 SPE IADC International Drilling Conference in The Hague. Today I'm speaking with Guido van den Bos, Director of Business Development for Europe, Africa, and the Middle East for NOV. Thank you for being with us today.
Thank you very much for having me, Sarah.
Can you tell us about the multi-machine control technology and how it works?
Yes, I can. The multi-machine control technology or software is a software where multiple equipment in the drilling process work together very smoothly. So mainly in tripping, making stands, breaking stands, and bringing stands while drilling. So what happens if sometimes the stands comes in, things comes to a halt, and then the next equipment goes up for the next process. So what multi-machine control does is let the handshake go smoother, so that everything goes into a flow, so there's no ad hoc stopping during the process from tripping, breaking the stands or making the stands or adding the stands while drilling.
MMC has actually been on the market for a while. Can you tell why the renewed interest now?
Yeah, it's been, I think, 4 or 5 years on the market right now. But like 4 or 5 years, there was a big building boom. And of course, we all know what happened a while back. So everybody was more focused on delivering the wells and less on technology. And of course, technology was part of it. But it's an extra add-on. So, and then the last couple of years, of course, people cut back on investments, and only really the necessity of investments, the returns came through. The good thing, if there's a good thing about crisis, is the drive of technology and automation, digitalization. So multi-machine control, and we've been developing that more to version 2 and looking further to bring those items more together, and there's more interest. So there's now more operators here in Europe and especially Norway and then the Gulf of Mexico where they see the added value of multi-machine control, where they can see things going smoothly, where the safety, consistency, getting people out of harm's way, because there's less people involved with the multi-machine control. So that's really the drive these days. And you see that there's multiple options at automation, and bringing that that platform forward really makes a difference.
In which applications do you see MMC being deployed in coming years, and what do you hope to achieve?
Now the beauty is of multi-machine control, it's not only for new builds, but it's also retrofittable. So we also can now look at units, for instance drill ships these days, where we can retrofit the multi-machine control and educate people and make the equipment more safer to use. And it's not only safer, but we also, the machines itself are now also working within their operational range. So they last longer, there's less maintenance needed. And yeah, this was the efficiency and that really makes a difference where you have your return of investment. And of course the drilling contractor take it, but it takes a collaboration of the industry. So you have to work with the international operator, you have to work with the drilling contractor, you have to work with the OEMs, just to bring everything together and create a triangle to understand what the return of investment is. Because it's still an investment, but you see that there's a less equipment side of things, the consistency, safety. So all these aspects coming together really is basically game changing. Together with our Novos network platform, really goes kind of even hand in hand together. So that's the next step going forward.
Well, thanks again for joining us today, Guido.
Thank you very much, Sarah.
And thank you for watching drillingcontractor.org.